0 looks like nothing, but it's actually one of the most powerful numbers in math. Stickman is here to explain why. Think about this. Put 0 after 1 and suddenly it's 10. Add another 0 and it becomes 100. Each 0 multiplies the power of the number. But 0 can also make everything disappear. Multiply any number by 0, 5, 500, or even 5 million, and the answer is always 0. That's its secret strength. 0 is also the foundation of our entire number system. Without it, we couldn't write numbers like 205 or 10,003. It helps us mark place value, keeping math organized and meaningful. So 0 may look empty, but it's the key to infinity, big numbers, and the way math works today. Stickman's challenge. Try writing numbers without using 0 and see how quickly it gets confusing. Remember, even nothing can be everything in math.